Summer is all about travel and living a jet-set lifestyle. I curated the summer box to put you in a vacation state of mind, even if you're not in fact going anywhere. For this box, I chose a gorgeous towel in 2 absolutely beautiful prints. Summer style is all about being effortless, which is why a cover-up or caftan is so important. This Kate Somerville moisturizer really gives me a great glow. So I designed this incredibly chic black and white tote that you can fit all of your stuff in no matter where you go. Fringe is having a major comeback moment right now. I have lovingly handpicked every single piece to bring a little bit of adventure into your life. Take your bag along for the journey and please tag us with #BoxOfStyle.